In this video, we're going to talk about how to use a drop cloth because as you can see in the background here, there are drop cloths laid all over the floor, all cattywampus, making no sense and not actually doing the job of the drop cloth. In addition to that, they are bunched up and crunched up, and that creates a tripping hazard, and that's a safety concern. First of all, you need to lay out your drop cloths in such a way so that they are not creating any tripping hazard. If that means you need to tape them down, you need to tape them down. Usually with drop cloths made out of canvas, or if we have old muslin from flats or scenery, drops, that sort of thing, and we use them for drop cloths, they're pretty stiff. So it's just a matter of technique of laying things out, preparing the surface ahead of time, and making everything smooth, and not dragging your feet while you're working as well. Organization of the workspace is important here. And organization of the workspace means keeping your space organized and tidy and effective and efficient. And what is going on around me is not effective, nor is it efficient, and it is also not safe.